people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So today's video is a fall clean and decorate with me. So in this collaboration, each person is to choose whether they would like to do fall, Halloween, or both things within their video. I have chosen, as I mentioned, to do fall. So let's get started with the video. So I usually start off my day with making my bed. If I don't do it, my hubby does.
But it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. It's been like this ever since we...
Next, I moved on to cleaning some things in my bathroom.
I try my best to keep my mind occupied so that I can focus on anything but you, 'cause all I want...
If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home wife and mom. On my channel, I do cleaning, decluttering, and organizational type of videos. If that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel.
But it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. I don't know what it is. Ever since we I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. And it's been like this ever since we... First time I...
So here we are on the next day. So I wasn't able to finish filming and cleaning as I wanted to the day before. Funny story here, maybe not so funny. What ended up happening was my son and I experienced some smoke and burning within our kitchen, and we didn't know what it was. Well, the day before there was a storm and the lights were flickering, and the problem was something happened with our refrigerator that caused it to start burning, and like I said, smelling. Thank God we are all right, but the issue was it prevented me from finishing off cleaning and recording for the rest of the day.
Wanna go old with you. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest of my life. I will be with you until I stop breathing.
So there was dust all over the place. So you saw that I was getting rid of the cobwebs. They were on the top part of the ceiling. And now here it is. I am wiping down the dust and all sorts of things that are all over the sofa.
Promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one.
Usually I prefer to clean from the top to the bottom, so I will do the cleaning of the ceiling, then I will dust things in the middle part, and then afterwards I will vacuum.
Do without you. Do without you. You, you. Do without you. You, you. Do without you. You, you. Do without you. Do without you. We're like kids in the ballrooms dancing all night with our stomachs full of butterflies. First time I saw your face, I fell in love. Oh, I can't believe you are mine. I'll never let you down. I'll never let you down. Oh, hold me close. Promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You're the one I choose. I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. Do without you. Do without you. You, you. Do without you. You, you. Do without you. You, you. Do without you. Do without you. Do without you. You, you. Do without you. You, you. Do without you. You, you. Do without you. Do without you. Do without you. Know me. Take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really.
So I'm using my e-cloth here. It's a 2-cloth that you use to clean mirrors. I just love using this because all I need to use is just water, and it helps with cleaning the mirror and making it spotless. Now, as you see here, I am moving my son's fish tank. It's so sad. He just lost his fish not too long ago, and he had just purchased this fish tank too. So I wasn't too happy about his fish dying, but soon I hope that he will purchase another one, and then he's able to use this fish tank.
Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave.
And now it was time to clean my Keurig. I hadn't cleaned it probably since spring. We usually don't have cappuccino all the time. For the most part, we have it during the winter and spring months when it's colder outside or cooler outside. And so it was time for me to clean it again. You will see that I have taken all the parts necessary to wash separately, and then I will wipe down the Keurig machine, and then I will descale the Keurig machine. Now, there was another product that I was using that I purchased from Walmart, and although that product is fine, I just decided to do it the old-fashioned way, which is to just use vinegar and water. And so you will see that I will take a half a cup of vinegar and water and use that to clean the inside to descale the Keurig machine.
We can do as we please. Don't listen to them as they preach. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Yes, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been, we don't need to work so hard.
And now that I have finished cleaning for the most part, I only do decorating maybe 3 or 4 times a year. The fall time is when I will put up fall decorations until Thanksgiving, and then I will put up Christmas things. I usually don't put a large amount of decorations out, just a small amount to make it a little festive in the house. But like I said, when Christmas comes, that's when I really decorate the entire house for the most part. So you will see too, we're putting out some of the decorations. I wasn't sure about where I wanted to place everything, so some things are going to seem a lot different towards the end of the video.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally.
Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I certainly enjoyed you being here, watching me clean and decorate for the fall season. Be sure to check out Melissa, Buckeye Girls and Lifestyle, Courtney of Amethyst Adventures, and Terry of Robin's Nest channels, as well as the playlist that will be listed down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in the next one.